Hello guys, good evening. Today I present to you this Freightliner Coronado tractor trailer. This one is from Liberty Classics and it's a heavy diecast. Liberty is an old brand from way back 2000. I remember I started buying them. But eventually I sold some of them because when I discovered the diecast promotions and first gear, they were more detailed. But this one is an exception. And I got this because, Freightliner Coronado were, if correct me if I'm wrong, uh, it was not yet done by diecast promotion and first gear. Only Liberty did this. And it's a heavy diecast. You can check. I know maybe this is around. Wow, look at that. It's more than a kilo. 1024 grams. 1000 grams is 1 kilo, right? So this is 1 kg, 1 kilogram. Today we're gonna do a unboxing and review of the model. I try to make it short. See you on the next page. Okay guys, so now we unbox it. Wow, this is the level of detail of Liberty Classic. I never thought that this would be the level of detail of this truck. And it even has an opening hood because Liberty Classics are not like this. When I had my first Peterbilt 379, it was not like this. No opening parts and no hoses like this. These are separate pieces. Nah? Wow, look at that. Yeah, of course it has no steering wheel, just like a diecast promotion or first gear, but it's okay. Rolling wheels, rubber wheels, separate grab handles, also CB antennas, smokestack, chrome smokestack. There's even a chrome steering wheel over there. Usually American trucks are loaded with chrome, yeah? Chrome parts, chrome running boards, toolboxes, this diesel fuel tank, sleeper. You can live in this truck. You just go to the truck stop if you are a truck driver, and you can you can rest inside. There's even a complete appliances inside, like the microwave or small fridge. There's a freezer. There's a bunk bed also. There's a TV. Nowadays everything can be now miniaturized, compact, so you can put everything there that you wanted. So wow, it's a handsome truck. I can do some black wash over here. Maybe sometime we get time. Let's see the trailer. Wow, this model has never been opened, and I had a hard time unboxing it. Opening the box, it's really tight. It's never been opened. And this one is a solid diecast. Oh, I wonder how to open. Ah, this one. Okay. No, how to open this? Ah, okay. That's it. I want to cut this. How can my 64 scale cards will get inside if there's a peg like this? I have to cut this. Nice, very nice truck. Oh wow, Iron Man, huh? There's an Iron Man script on it. See that, huh? Yes, just like me, Iron Man likes to go to the gym. Yeah? Yes, of course. Not only do hobby, right? We also must take care of our health, right? Okay guys, thank you. Thank you so much for watching. We're gonna do more unboxing. Freightliner Coronado from Liberty Classics. I don't mind the Cornwell tools. What I'm after is really this truck. Freightliner Coronado. I researched about Cornwell tools. It was founded 1919. Snap-on was 1920s. So both are made in the USA. But I'm mostly a Snap-on guy. You know? I use in the aircraft. These are our tools in the aircraft. Cornwell tools, I never use I haven't tried Cornwell tools yet, but they're quite a lot expensive. But they're more into, I think, automotive and truck tools, I guess. Anyway, thank you again, guys. Goodbye and thank you. Please subscribe.